Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. Today's video is for the new app users. If you're a new app user of the Temu app, you stand a chance of getting $100 coupon. And not only that, you get 30% off your entire order on Temu. Like, this applies to new app users, and this is for your first order. So immediately you download the app, the Temu app, all you need to do is this. I'll actually show you two ways you can apply the coupon code to give you this $100 coupon and the 30% off your order. So after you download the Temu app, come to the search bar and search ACR 609164. ACR 609164, and then click on the search icon. Then, if you're a new app user, you will definitely see the $100 coupon pop up, and you just have to, claim it. Now, the account I'm using to demonstrate this is not a new user account, okay? It's an existing account, so that didn't pop up. But if you just downloaded the app and you're a new user, you will definitely see it pop up here for you. All right, now this is the first way you can access this $100 coupon and the 30% off. All you need to do is just claim the coupon when it pops up and then add this to your cart, and your discount is automatically applied. And of course, you have the coupon to shop. Now, the second way you can access this coupon is add things to your cart. Just download the app, add things to cart, whatever it is you want to buy, add it to cart, and then click on your cart like you want to check out. Okay, click on checkout and go down to where you have applied coupon code. All right, click on that, then enter coupon code. Then you type ACR 609164. ACR 609164. Once you type this, you click on apply, and you see, because I'm not a new app user, I'm getting the message, sorry, you're not qualified for this coupon. But if you're a new app user, you will definitely have the coupon come up and the discount. You just have to claim it and it is applied to you. All right, this is strictly for the new app users. If you're not a new app user, you are going to get the same message I just got, that I'm not qualified. But if you're a new app user, you will definitely get the discount and the coupon. So please, if you're a new app user, rush now and try out this code. Let me know if it works for you. Let me know if you get the €100 coupon, and also if you get the 30% off your entire Temu order. Okay, I'll be waiting in the comments to hear the good news from you. If you've watched to this point, thank you so much. I hope you found value in this video. If you have, please like, share, and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.